כבר?
כן.
זה כבר מצלם?
כן.
Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to fix the charging cable or communication cable, whatever. This is original cable of Apple. Although it's original, it's just a matter of time that this will be damaged here. Mostly this position is the sensitive point. Now, before I will give it to my children to use it, I will add some silicone tape in order to reinforce this strain relief. Okay, this tape called rescue tape. And normally the plumbers are using this, so we will cut a piece of silicone. No need to use all this thickness. Short piece. This might be enough. If not, we will add a little bit, taking off the silicone paper. And now I will start. No, I will start from here. You have to tighten it very well in order that the layers will stick one to the other. Okay. Now we have silicone reinforce this sensitive area. I will add another piece. Okay, just cut it straight. Now let's take a new piece. Here it is. There you go. Just want to make it a little bit longer, so I will add another piece from here down to the other area of the cable and then back again. Hold it for a minute. That's it. Now when you bend the cable, it will save the sensitive area. Now you can use it for 2 or 3 years and not for half of a year. Good luck.